My topic is open circuit and short circuit test for a test of a single phase transformer. To determine the efficiency and regulation of a given single phase transformer by conducting the OC and SC open circuit and short circuit test, also known is drawn equivalent. Voltmeter, ammeter, materials required are, and its rating and type and quantity. Theory of open circuit test. Consider a practical transformer on no load. Secondary on open circuit, the primary will draw a small current I0 to supply the iron loses and a very small amount of copper losses in primary. Hence the primary no load current I0 lags V1 by an angle theta less than 90 degrees and 0 degrees less than 90 degrees, and no loads input power equal to Vi cos theta. Then the no load primary current I0 can be resolved into two components, IW and IMU. IW in the phase with V1 and known as a working active iron loss components. I1 lags V1 by 90 degrees and known as a magnetizing component or lossless component. I mu equal to I naught sin theta. Note that no load primary copper loss I square R1 is very small and may be neglected. Therefore, the no load input power W naught equal to iron loss. Short circuit. This test is conducted by determining of R1, R2 and full load copper losses of the transformer. In the test, the secondary, usually the leading wind, is short circuited by a thick wire and a variable voltage applied to the primary and gradually raised its full load current I1 flows through the primary. Under the condition copper loss in the winding is equal to that full of load copper losses. Since the current in the secondary is equally rated, since there is a no output of the transformer under the short circuit condition, the input power it is also equal to the loss of transformer. The voltage Vs is very small in the condition, the core is negligible small, and hence the total can be considered as full load copper losses of the transformer winding. Diagram of open circuit. Procedure. Connection are given as per circuit diagram. Switch on the power supply with the help of auto transformer. Apply voltage to HV side in steps 230 volt. At each step, note down the voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter reading. After reaching maximum voltage 230 on HV side, the supply is switched off. Short circuit diagram. Procedure. Connections are given as per the circuit diagram. The main switch on HV side is closed with the help of booster transformer. Current is injected into HV winding in step. The voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter readings are noted down from each step HV side. After reaching full load current on secondary side, the supply is switched off. Calculation for open circuit test. No load power factor. Load power factor cos phi equal to watt W by V into I, where WOS is open circuit power in watts, VOC in voltage in open circuit, IOC in open circuit current in ampere. Resistance to account for a core losses. Resistance equal to voltage in open circuit into current cos it. Magnetic reactance equal to V by I sin theta. Observation: a equivalent winding reactant referred to HV side or R equal to W by I square, where the Ws is the short circuit power in I is the short circuit current in amperes. Equivalent winding resistance referred to LV side R not equal to RK square. K is transform ratio V2 to V1. Equivalent winding impedance referred to HV side Z equal to V by S. Equivalent winding impedance to LV side is Z equal to Z0 K square. Equivalent winding resistance equal to X equal to under root Z square minus R square. Equivalent winding reactance referred to LV side X naught equal to X naught into K square, where K is transform ratio of V2 V1. To find efficiency core loss of constant W1, rated short circuit current I2S, kVA rating transformer, copper loss W at full load current, output of the power equal to V into I cos power, total power is V plus IS. To find regulation, voltage regulation, IR cos alpha plus Ix naught E2 into 100. Power regulation. The efficiency and regulation is given by single transformer in determining the conduct OC and SC test. Thank you.